welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect twists every time. Alright, starting with freshly washed hair, I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's buttercream coconut something for the leave-in, and then the Curl Boss Gelee. I'm going to have that in the description box. Okay, I'm spraying my hair down with water because my hair dried out. And to get the perfect twist, you want to have your hair damp. Okay, now I'm going with the buttercream and I'm moisturizing my hair. When I'm done moisturizing each section, I'm going to twist it back up just so it can basically sit in my hair, so I'm not adding the jelly right after I put the buttercream in. Okay, so now that all the sections are moisturized, I'm going to clip the hair in the front up and I'm going to start working from the back. Now each of those twists that are already moisturized, I'm going to break those up into 4 sections. Honestly, the smaller your twists, the better. It'll last longer and it's cute. So I'm splitting that into 2. I'm clipping that up. And then the bottom half, I'm going to split that in 2 again and clip the other one away, and then I'm going to start twisting. Alright, and you're also going to want to make sure that your hair is detangled or it's going to be a hot mess. Alright, now I'm going in with the jelly, and you're going to take it and coat the entire piece of hair that you're going to twist. So start from the roots down to the tip, coat the entire thing. That will help with definition if you're going to do a twist out. It's going to help with hold and just to smooth your twist. All right, and just twist, do a normal twist. And when you get to the end, I'm going to show you, you want to twist it around your finger so that little curl happens at the end. All right, and basically that is how you do it. I'm gonna let you guys watch. So here I'm just showing you that if your twist looks a little frizzy, just take the twist and twist it around your finger and it'll help smooth the little frizzy parts of your twist. And yeah. If anytime during your twisting process you feel like your hair is drying out, just go ahead and re-wet that little section that you feel needs a little bit more water. Alright, so you also want to make sure that the length of your what do you call them, the 2 little sections that you're taking out to twist, you want to make sure that they're even, because you don't want to be borrowing hair from the other twist, it'll make it uneven. And again, if you're going to be using your twist to do a twist out, when you take it down, it'll cause frizz. So you want to make sure that they're even all the way down to the end.